Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is Noahic Covenant. So, kapag sinabing Noahic Covenant, it is a covenant of preservation in which God promises to sustain the earth and human life despite humanity's sinfulness. This covenant reveals God's mercy and common grace, ensuring that creation will continue until His redemptive plan is fulfilled. By preserving the world, God ensures the fulfillment of the covenant of grace, ultimately leading to Christ. Ayon po sa ating Genesis chapter 6 verse 18, "But I will establish my covenant with you, and you will enter the ark, you and your son, and your wife, and your sons' wives with you." So, ayon po sa ating katuroan, the Noahic covenant, first is God preserves the creation for redemptions. So, yung creation po is preserve ng Diyos. So, hindi niya nagugunawin yung mundo, at yung sign is yung rainbow. So, para sa redemption, God preserved creation for something better. So, God redeeming the broken world. So, ayon po so next naman po is God removes evil from creations. So, yun nga, nung nagkaroon ng kasalanan, yung mga tao, sinabi ng Diyos na aalisin niya yung mga masasamang tao at makasalanan sa kanyang creation. So, alisin ng Diyos lahat ng masama at titira niya ang mga mabuting tao or creation. So, kagaya nga po ng kay Noah, yung inalis ng Diyos yung masasama at itinira yung mabubuti. So, lahat sila nalunod. So, yung mga natira is nakasakay dun sa ginawang napakalaking barko ni Noah. So, next is God will fully restore creation at Christ's return. So, sa pagbalik ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo, ay magkakaroon ng full restoration. Magkakaroon ng kaayusan dito sa ating mundo or creation. Ngayon ay inuunti-unti nang ayusin ng Diyos ang broken world. Para naman sa ating application, work with God in preserving the good creation. So, i-preserve natin ang creation ng Diyos. So, kung ano yung maganda sa creation, and labanan natin kung ano man ang maling pumasok sa creation. Yung kalikasan natin is part of the good creation, kaya dapat i-preserve natin ito at pagyamanin natin. So, lahat ng creation, pagandahin natin. Alam mo kung ba't ka nandito at alam ng Diyos ang plano sa. So, next is fight evil and corruption as agents of Christ. So, tayo sinugo ng Diyos to fight evil and corruption. Lahat ay pinapasa ng corruption, buhay natin, relasyon sa iba, magulang, anak, asawa, relasyon sa ibang tao. So, lahat ng profession natin ay pinapasok ng kasamaan. Madaming kasamaan na nakapalibot sa atin, kaya we need to fight them and preserve good creation. So, last is hope for the full restoration of the whole creation. Yun nga, ang hope natin is pagdating ni Kristo ay magkaroon ng full restoration ng ating creation. So, yan ang part ng covenant o kasundo ng Diyos kay Noah. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.